Hi, welcome to another video by Daniel and John, and we're in the Vito van today, and I need to replace this bush in here because what happens when you're trying to get it in gear, it's not that precise, doesn't go in, and apparently it's these bushes that go. Looking at this one, that's the original one because it's solid all the way around, so we want to replace that basically. Now, in order to replace that, the gear knob comes off. The newer versions of the Vito just have a screw at the top there that you pop a little lid and you can pull off, which is nice and easy. But these, well, this is another level. I tried a few things and looked online. People said by fortune it popped off in reverse, wiggling it around and that, but these have been on there a number of years. So this is the easiest way to get this gear knob up if you just want to replace it, or replace your gator, which we're going to do. You can. I've managed to stretch that over, so this is the way. This is a IRWIN quick grip clamp. They come in various sizes, and this is literally what I did. I opened it up. Make sure you've got your rubber bit so it protects it. I squished it on. You can see I've already pulled it off because it did, and I literally used this as leverage and did that, released it, wiggled it, and it popped off, and there's your spring. So we tried everything else, from span underneath trying to knock it, just wouldn't come off, but that's how they come off. And just to have a good look at this, because it's got the plastic inset there, and this is the like I say 2009 van, so we can get that off, then we can start taking all these bits off and replace that hopefully.